welcome back. So today's video is going to be a tutorial. Really, Richard? Every time I start talking, Richard just like, damn, he keeps whining and stuff. So sorry, like I have to apologize in every video because he will not like let me talk in front of the camera. But anyways, today's video will be a eyeshadow tutorial on this look. I did use the Zanzi Beauty Zuri Palette. If you may have remembered from a while ago, I did do an initial review on the palette. So make sure you check that out. I'll leave that up above or down below, whatever I decide to do, you know. And if you aren't doing so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl in my YouTube journey. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the voiceover walkthrough tutorial. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns down in the description box. And as always, thanks for watching. So the palette I'm using for today's look is the Zanzi Zuri palette. So make sure you guys check them out. They have this beautiful palette full of shimmers and mattes and all that. So the first shade I'm using is this red shade. And I'm blending that in with my MORPHE M506 brush right in the crease, shawty, right in the crease. So blend that in, and I'm just using a back and forth swiping motion. And I'm just kind of like starting to create that kind of shape that I want using that red color. The next color that I'm going to use is this yellow shade, and I'm using the same brush, but I did clean it off, and I'm just kind of buffing the edges out and kind of blending the two together so that it kind of creates this kind of like orangey buffed out look on the ends. I'm still using that same back and forth motion. Now for this part, I did use a black. I don't know from what palette, but I just needed a black. And I am using the MORPHE M507 brush for this. It's a little bit more like tapered so you can get off in that crease. Then to cut my crease, I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Pharaoh 2. This is the lightest shade that they have. And I'm just cutting my crease, you know, following the initial shape that I did. Then for the lid, I decided to do rainbow lids. So I did, you know, in order from, you know, in inner corner to outer corner, yellow, green, blue. Now, since I'm on a green screen, the green does not show up really well, and I do apologize, but you know, if you see my photos on Instagram and the thumbnail that you clicked on, you will know that the green and the blue are really popping. So I do apologize about that, my bad. So I am using that packing brush that I got in my BoxyCharm box, so make sure you guys use that one. And I'm just going, I'm packing it on, and then I'm like swiping from left to right to kind of blend the colors together, so there's no like line of demarcation, because you don't want that. You want everything to blend seamlessly. Now for today's liner, I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner in the shade Charcoal, and I'm just going ahead and creating a wing. I just thought it would add to the poppiness of this whole look. And then for today's mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really don't care for it, but I'm going to use it until it's, you know, it's gone or whatever. So I do have on my Glimmer Vault lashes in the shade Bad Gal. And make sure you guys use my code Nizzy15 for 15% off, girl. Make sure you do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of the video play out. This is gonna be more like on my face routine. So I wanted to give you guys more of a talk through on the eye makeup. You guys have seen me do my makeup, like my face makeup, like millions of times, so I'm just gonna let it play out. If you want to watch, you know, go ahead and watch, be my guest. But yeah, just make sure you guys leave any questions, comments, concerns down in the description box, and let me know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching.